playing is learning. I never realized that playing could be such a big learning opportunity for a little kid. Pouring and filling containers with sand is actually an early math lesson on volume. Who knew? That's just one of countless examples of how playing is learning. And as my own daughter continues to grow, I'm learning myself just how important playtime is for her brain, along with every aspect of her development. So here's what I've learned so far to make sure your child gets plenty of brain-boosting playtime every day. Tip number 1, head to the sandbox. Trust me, the sand-filled shoes and hair are worth it. Bring along empty containers to fill and dump together. It's great for building those small motor and sensory skills, along with that math lesson. Tip number 2, move those muscles. Climb, slide, swing, and jump. Physical playtime builds gross motor skills, coordination, and muscle strength. 3 ways to help keep your child healthy and strong. Oh, and let's be real, it tires them out too. Tip number 3, encourage playtime conversation. Playing is a great opportunity to boost your child's social and emotional growth, along with important language skills. And as your child grows and interacts with others, playtime becomes an opportunity to socialize and build friendships too. Tip number 4, sing songs and dance. These are great ways to play, especially when you're on the go. Singing and dancing help your child learn words, rhythm, and listening skills while expressing creativity. Tip number 5, build in time for play. As parents, our schedules can get hectic, but young children need downtime to use their imaginations and build their brains. So set aside time for play as often as you can. Playing, although simple, is how children learn and discover the world around them. See you at the sandbox.